Hey guys, today we're playing Roblox, and I'm gonna do this thing where I'm playing the same game 2 days. Tomorrow we're gonna play Meep City, and I'm here with Alexa.
Yeah, it's really fun to play. I'm not playing right now. I'm just gonna be talking with her in this video. So yeah, and we're cousins.
Yeah, which is why her YouTube channel is Alexa Gaming.
Yeah, but I'll try to change it. I don't have internet, so I'll try to change it when I get it. And so you guys just go to my channel and just subscribe to my cousin, Ashley Gamer, as well.
Yeah.
She's just barely starting YouTube. I haven't. I've did that since a lot. I've did it with my friend. Yeah. But I deleted that video because I thought it was so weird and crazy because we were talking so loud and we were just crazy. And so I just deleted those and I just tried to maybe do gaming, and I'm recently doing gaming now, and she's starting it, but she's gonna do gaming as well. And I hope you leave this video a like
and subscribe, please, guys. I know you can make it. And I'll be putting challenges, on likes. Like today, if we can reach
hit
it.
this 1,000,000 likes, and we do a challenge.
No, actually 100 likes because we're starting small.
Yeah.
100 likes, and I promise you, I promise you that you can make it. I know you can make it, but it was. I really want it because it's soon gonna be my birthday.
You can ask me and my cousin Ashley requests as in Roblox.
Yeah, but we gotta deny the ones that we don't know.
Yeah.
If you're like a YouTube, which is our YouTube channel fan, please just let us know in the
I have
game.
2 YouTube friends if y'all didn't know that, guys. It's Alexa talking.
Yeah.
And this one talking right now is Ashley.
Yeah,
Ashley Andrea, and her Roblox username. And this is right here. And you can go to her profile in Roblox, and you can add her as a friend. But if you see her in game, she's recording.
Yeah. Yeah, you'll be able to get in one of my videos.
Yeah. Like every YouTuber does with their fans, and a lot of we won't be able to answer all their questions because we're gonna be making videos together as well.
Once we get to 200, we won't be able to get you guys, but if you want, you can follow us and then
you can follow instead. If we get 200 instead of friending us, you can you can just follow us.
So guys, we're right here playing Meep City. We're about to play Meep City. As you see here, there's Meep City things. We're so close on playing Meep City, and we're so excited, right? Sorry about the laugh. It's that our
family's having so much fun, and that's why they laugh a lot. And I just think it's a little bit bothering.
Yeah, because we're making videos, but actually, yeah, it's kind of like that. Oh, let me see here. Wait, am I the only one here? Yep. There's way more people here.
Yeah, so you can, and when we get the max friend and when we get the max friends, just follow us in Roblox.
Yeah, we're gonna be playing stuff.
So should we just write this? Wait, your friend is here, Esther. Look.
What?
Probably Dylan. Oh, I mean Ashley. I'm sorry I keep getting that name because that's her middle name, right?
Ashley.
Yeah, that's her middle name. I'm just writing this random word. This is Alexa talking. I'm just writing middle. I have no idea what I'm writing.
Yeah, I didn't think we have connection.
Ashley Gamer. Woo. Okay, so this will be my channel name. Look. man. I wrote it wrong. It's a gamer.
Because we're cousins, that's
We're
why.
the gamer family. So this is, you already know my cousin's channel, so yeah. I don't think we got the connection.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna be like ending this video today. But if you want to follow us, please follow us.
Yeah, and Roblox. And you can friend us. I only have 2 YouTube friends.
And you can like on YouTube, and you can subscribe, like this video, and let's get it up to 100. I know you can do it. So
Yeah, do it to
see
my
ya.
channel as well.
Yeah. So see ya. Bye.
Love you.